Hello and welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Devin here, and today we have a Select Draft Picks 23 Select blaster boxes. These are off of Fanatics. So it does say autographs from the top rookies in the 2023 draft class, so I don't know if that means we will have a chance at the Bryce Young, Levis, Stroud or not. I do like the look of these select cards, and don't know if we're going to have as good luck as we do with the first off the line hobby box type stuff. That was a very good box. Had these for a few days now, and obviously this is a few days after the Panini and NFL Players Association fallout, so not sure where the product's gonna go. I have meant to grab some of that first off the line stuff that has recently come out with the Prism draft picks and the Elite, but got busy at work and missed the window, so did not snag any of those boxes. Excuse me. Might try to stop at a card shop around here and see if we can't wheel and deal and get at least a hobby box or something. But so have these from Fanatics. These have the gold laser prisms. And like I said, I don't know if that checklist for this box will have Stroud or the top quarterbacks in it, since they were a Fanatics exclusive autographs. But decided to grab a couple of these just in case there is the chance of having them in there, and we can go ahead and try to chase them. So let's get going. Looks like we have a laser parallel already in the back, first pack. Brian Larso. And our first one is the Keyshawn Boot gold laser. Not numbered, just the parallel, but nice rookie receiver there to start it off. And LSU lately has been known to put out a few good receivers into the league. All the fantasy drafts are about to start as well. Maybe you've already done some. I know my work, we're going to have one, so looking forward to that. Trying to watch some of the pre-games or preseason games to check out how these rookies are doing. And there's a Jalen Hyatt base rookie. And Maurice Jones-Drew on what I'd say is the silver. Nice looking insert. I believe the Elite might be the first look of having all these in their pro uniforms. Hopefully all of them. So I do want to track one down. And like I said, I don't know what products Panini is going to have left. Kind of seems like they can finish out what they've created already. And there's a nice silver Bijan, who has been tearing it up in this preseason for the Falcons. The guy looks like a beast, so he could come out as a pretty good running back with how the strikes and contract holdouts are doing in the running back world. So that rookie might be one of the better ones to go with. And Rear, unfortunately, has not looked real crisp in the preseason, but it's early and get those jitters out. Hopefully he can come around. Has a lot of weapons there in Atlanta. There's a nice Lawrence Taylor, a Justin Fields, and there's a Matthew Stafford insert. So no numbered cards. Got our silver, got the lasered prism, which do look nice. And there's our first Bryce Young rookie. Dalton Kincaid, Joe Montana. We're going to have something else here in the back. And it is an Amari Cooper. Unnumbered, but again, with that nice laser, we'll throw a sleeve on. Not a rookie, obviously. So go ahead and keep that one. Last pack of this box. Only got a couple of these. Didn't want to go wild on them. Really chasing kind of those zebras. And they're tough to come across. Hurts, Miles Murphy, rookie, Herbert, and there's a nice future of Jackson Smith and Jigbo of Seattle. Could be a rookie standout this year for the receiver. It's a nice card there. Let's go ahead and get our second box going. I don't know how I feel about the tops taking over. It's always exciting to have something new. If, Topps Chrome comes back out with NFL, or if they're even allowed to, produce the cards. They have the image and likeness, but I don't believe they have the license for the NFL team. So I don't know if they pump stuff out. It's just going to be not licensed NFL materials, but they have the players, so they can use their likeness, but no NFL logos. If somehow they're going to swindle their way into getting that early, since Panini can no longer really create any new cards. I think they're allowed to sell what they've made, but it's going to be an interesting year with the football season starting and the future of the cards this year. So these could be really the big set of the rookies for this class in these first few sets if Topps cannot get anything going. Don't know if that should help the value if there's less of them. Nice Chris Olave there, second year. So now I might really wish I did get in on those elites first off the line, but we'll try to at least snag a hobby box if the LCS is not too terribly priced. And Gronkowski, Manning, Kyler Murray, Chris Carter, and an unstoppable Justin Jefferson. Cool looking insert there. And still no numbered cards out of any of the boxes. Kind of disappointing. Or die cuts. I don't know if they don't have much die cuts in these blaster boxes, since I have not come across one yet. And that's kind of what Select is known for. See if they can't throw us in a zebra print or something. Animal print. Lockett, Josh Downs, could be a decent rookie. Jahmyr Gibbs, Keenan Allen, and Tua Silver. Throw a sleeve on them, nothing super valuable, but being in their college uniforms, not always the most desirable. But you still have some college collectors out there. Alright, Kittle, Prescott, Zach Thomas, Mahomes, and they Will Levis, Josh Allen, and Randall Cobb. Select company. First time seeing this insert. There is a Will Levis rookie card. Another one of the ones that did not sign with Panini, so I believe they're allowed to honor their contracts with Panini, the players that did sign with them, but again, if I'm not able to print cards, I don't know what good it's gonna do not having the Players Association involved. LT, Chubb, Charles Woodson, Miles Sanders, and we have Will Anderson Jr. rookie card. And this guy's been looking like a beast in the preseason. So that's a very nice rookie card there with the gold lasers. Throw that in our good rookie pile. All right, last pack for the blaster box. I do have a mega box we'll be ripping later on in the video. Hopefully that one will at least pump out some numbered cards or something, because these did not. Here's another Will Levis rookie. Chris Olave, John Elway, Jamar Chase, and our final card is a rookie unstoppable CJ Stroud. So hit a little bit of all the top rookies there. Go ahead and throw him in the sleeve. Grab the wrong one. So good looking insert. So let's look back here at the top few cards. Nothing amazing. Obviously the CJ Stroud Unstoppable. Nice laser pearl Will Anderson. And there's Will Levis with the Select Company. Njigba Future. Nice Bijan Silver. And a Keyshawn Boot on the other gold laser. So thanks for watching. Interesting to see how this shakes out with the licensing. Let me know in the comments if you guys got your hands on some of these first off the line releases that just came out. That could be near the end of Panini's reign on NFL cards. And what your reaction is to it, and you're excited for Fanatics to take over, or if you're gonna stock up on the Panini stuff that's coming out and hold on to it. I'm gonna try to get my hands on some and maybe store some away and rip some, but we'll see how the pricing is. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys on next video.